Hello everyone.
Today I'll go one of the best romantic mall, which is Venice Grand Canal Mall. So let's go. Okay, we got a taxi to our destination, Venice Grand Canal Mall, which is situated in Taguig City. This mall is known for its design and architecture and is popularly considered as the most romantic mall in the country. So today I'll walk around the mall and tell you why this mall is tourists' favorite place. So keep watching. This mall is inspired by one of Italy's most romantic cities, Venice Grand Canal, and that's why the name of this mall is Venice Grand Canal Mall. The main attraction of this mall is its man-made Grand Canal. The canal is 200 meters long and 15 meters wide. The mall's Grand Canal offers mall guests an Italian experience with gondola ride tours by singing gondolas, and the gondolas are placed under a replica of Rialto Bridge. Venice Grand Canal is a lifestyle mall under Megaworld Lifestyle Malls that located inside 120-acre McKinley Hill. This mall has everything, including coffee shop, bar, restaurant, gym, theater, pet shop, massage center, and other amenities. Okay, now we will board on boat. So we bought ticket for that and going to ride spot. Here two types of packages are available. One is swan paddle boat, which costs 250 pesos per person, and the other one is gondola ride, where gondolas ride the boat around 15 to 20 minutes and the ticket fare is 400 pesos per person. This boat is fit for maximum 6 persons at a time. After purchasing the ticket, we get a serial number for the ride and sit into the waiting zone. Okay, now it's time for our ride. So we board a boat and cruise around this romantic mall. Throughout this boat ride, let me share with you the history of the city. You will be surprised to hear that the city was originally a fishing village during the Spanish and American colonial periods. And now, this city is known for Bonifacio Global City, one of the leading financial centers of the Philippines. Actually, I like this concept, Venice Italy of Megaworld Lifestyle Mall, because you will feel you are in real place of Venice, but in a small canal version. This mall is one of the best tourist places. This place will be a perfect destination for spending 2 to 3 hours or a whole day. Okay, let's wander around the canal. Here are few performers who play guitar or sing a song for donation, and few costume staff for taking pictures with them and in return of some donation. Now we will go for a dinner. A lot of varieties restaurants are available here, and we choose Peri Chicken restaurant. Okay, let's go inside and give some order. Okay, we ordered boneless chicken, rice, a whole charcoal chicken, vegetables, veggies, water and soft drinks. which cost around 2500 pesos. Okay, that's all for today. If you like any part of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye.